Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Yana Nurisa. My student number 53. In here, I want to tell you about the function of oral language. I want to share screen. Wait a minute guys. The function of oral language. Okay, I want to ask you, what is the meaning of oral language? Before I explain about the meaning of oral language, I want to tell about oral language. It comprises two components. Expressive language is mean speaking, and then receptive language is mean listening. So, oral language is the foundation for the development of literary skills and is considered to be a strong indicator of letter reading, writing, and overall academic achievement. Halliday's function of oral language. First, instrumental. Keyword, I want. Instrumental is a language used to express what the people need. For example, I want to buy a car to make me easy for everything. I want to borrow your book because your book is very full. And then this sort of language help us to identify things, seek and provide information, and then request assistance, classroom experience of our genre, problem solving, gathering materials, role playing. And then the second is personal. Keyword, here I come. Personal is a language used to express the personal preference, identity, feelings, emotion, personality, opinion, and reaction of the speaker. Sometimes refer as then here I am, here I come. Function announcing oneself to the world. For example, Potong Grano is a good place to get a refreshing. This sort of language help us to elaborate and give detailed account of experience, express and respond to ideas and opinion, argument and disagree, seek and give and deny permission to do something, approval and or disapproval for a service provided, classroom experience, making feelings public, interacting with other, intertalk, like that. And then third, interactional. The keyword me, and you. The interaction function of language is a language used to develop social relationship and is to process of interaction concerned with the phobia dimension or talk. For example, I love you, I need you, because this sort of language help us to greet or welcome people, meet or introduce people, coverage, negotiate, interrupt, and many more. Experience, classroom experience, structure play, dialogue and discussion, talking in group, role play, scenario, and many more. And then regulatory, do as I tell you. Regulatory is controlling the behavior and feelings of other. The regulatory function of language is language used to influence the behavior of others, concerned with persuading, commanding, requesting other people to do things you want. For example, could you like to give some money? Could you like to give your book, because this sort of language help us to give information, persuade, give specific logical interaction, and then classroom experience, giving interaction, teaching, making rules in game, and many more. And then representational. The keyword, I have got something to tell you. Communicating information, description, expressing proposition, but representational function of language is a language used to exchange information, concerned with rely or requesting information. For example, Europe Island is a place that make us to find out our dream. This is tell about the real world, express a provision, report, and convey message. Classroom experience, debate, class meeting, procedure, radio script, oral reports. Heuristic keyword. Tell me why. Heuristic is used to learn and explore the environment. For example, tell me why you not discussion with me to explore and gain knowledge the environment. What is that? How to solve it? What did you do that? Heuristic. Because heuristic use a range of question and answer, discussion, interview, hypothesis, experiment, investigating, and many more. And then the last is imaginative. Keyword. Let's pretend. Imaginative function of language is a language used to explore the imagination or to create imaginary system or idea, and also to tell a story and jokes, telling fairy tales. May also accompany play as children create imaginary worlds, or may arise from storytelling. For example, a good player can make a successful in this drama. To use language imaginatively and telling fairy tales. Example, let's pretend. Because this sort of language help us to perform, recite, properly. Classroom experience, stories and dramatization, poem, storytelling, performance, drama, and else. And then talk as a process and talk as performance. What the difference about that? Talk as a process refers use of talk for learning, cooperating with each other, and forming social relationship. Meanwhile, talk as performance refers to more formal activities when learning speak to an audience, like morning news, sport report, debate, telling jokes, storytelling, thanking a guest speaker, and then, for example, talk as a process, collaborative problem solving, class discussion, brainstorming, board game, writers or readers circle, and many more. And then the last, I want to explain about student needs to develop the linguistic research to engage with a variety of situations or register. Register refers to the different formal, informal, social, and educational situation that the student will encounter. And then, competent speakers and listeners vary their choice of language according to, first, the role the spoken language is playing in the interaction. For example, the language used to explain and play a board game is different from the language used to tell a funny story. Okay? Then, the second, the topic or activity being, oh my god, the topic or activity being talked about. Third, the role the roles and relationship between the speakers, and the last, the relationship between the speaker and the audience. The difference in register can be considered in terms of the three register components. First, field, tenor, and mood. Field. Field refers to the who or what is being talked about. At the school, students are expected to participate in the spoken language activity center on various curriculum topics, on social relationship, and on learning itself. It means this progression requires access to a specialist vocabulary, to way of thinking such as cause effect and constructive relationship, clarifying or checking understandings, and to the kind of language used to discuss language and literacy. And then tenor. Tenor is the relationship between the speaker and listener. For example, at the school, students have to learn to be a member of large group and to work collaboratively with others. Acquiring these skills means learning the language of negotiation. And then mood. And the last mood. Mood, I'm so sorry guys. Mood is the type of text being produced. At the school, students engage in spoken language activities that range from familiar embedded activities, for example, building with contraction block or discussing a sign experiment, to task the require reflective language that emphasize aspect of audience, purpose, and form. For example, formal, debate, and oral reports. Okay, that's all for me. I think enough. Thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.